Have you ever promised yourself, I won't gossip anymore? And then, 5 minutes later, you were listening to someone else's story. So, what is really happening? Are humans naturally mean, or is something much older quietly running your brain? Because gossip isn't just small talk. It's one of the oldest survival tools humans ever developed, and the reason you enjoy it has almost nothing to do with being cruel. Here's something fascinating. When you hear interesting information about another person, your brain activates its reward system, the same system involved when you enjoy delicious food or receive an unexpected reward. To your brain, social information is valuable. It wants to know who people are, what they did, whether they can be trusted. Researchers discovered that people spend almost 65% of their conversations talking about other people. Think about that. Out of every 10 conversations, around 6 are about people, not ideas, not technology, not news. People. But why? To understand that, we need to travel back about 50,000 years. Back then, humans survived because of the tribe. Your reputation mattered. You needed to know who shared food, who lied, who kept promises, who could be trusted. There were no records, no reviews, no internet. Gossip was the information system. It helped people recognize danger, build trust, protect the tribe. Gossip wasn't a flaw, it was survival. Today, that same instinct lives inside your brain. It just happens through conversations and group chats. Now meet Emma. Emma is kind, smart, and honestly believes she isn't someone who gossips. One morning, a coworker tells her a surprising story about the new employee. Emma listens. She thinks, I don't really care. But later that day, she repeats the story to another friend, not to hurt anyone, simply because her brain believed the information mattered. 2 weeks later, Emma discovers the story wasn't true. Immediately, she feels guilty, embarrassed, and disappointed. But Emma's brain wasn't trying to be cruel. It was following an ancient survival instinct. Collect information, share information, protect the group. Psychologists call this social monitoring. Your brain constantly watches people's behavior, their relationships, their reputation, their trustworthiness. The problem is, modern information isn't always true. Your ancient brain still treats it as valuable, even when it isn't. So, how do we become better? Before sharing something, ask yourself 2 questions. Is it true? Is it helpful? If the answer is no, don't pass it on. Second, feed your curiosity with ideas, books, science, history, psychology, not rumors. Your brain loves learning. Give it better information. Remember this. Gossip helped humans survive, but wisdom helps humans grow. Your brain was built to understand people, but your character decides what you do with that information. If this made you understand yourself a little better, subscribe to Why Humans, because next time, we're answering another fascinating question. Why do humans overthink everything?